It's super insane, guys. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
Hey guys, so if you play Pokemon TCG Pocket, I'm going to show you how to get the unlimited Poké Gold mod. So as you can see, I can turn on the gold, so I'm just going to turn it on. So you guys can see it will start to increase. So this is super cool. So let's just wait for it to load. And then you guys will see the magic, so let's just see what happens. And we should be all set. So, no rise. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's 2025, iOS and Android. So let's get into the video and I'll show you a Pokemon TCG Pocket. So go to matrixmods.com, type in Pokemon, and then there it is. So press download, and before it downloads there will be verification. This is the last step. It's just download 2 apps and follow the instructions. This is 100% for free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there. Additional files are required, so we just have to download like 2 of these apps. Like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Then we have the Travel Town, which says reach level 9, and the Underdog, which says download and run for 30 seconds. So some of them are really simple. So anyway, guys, that is how to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket Unlimited Poké Gold. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys, and it's super cool. So yeah, get the word out, guys. If you're broke like me and you want to get rich on Pokemon TCG Pocket.